live. Let me just check and then I'll start chronometer. Alright. Yes, we're live. Okay, let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm just gonna put that on the side and it started. So 30 minutes. Let's go. So we want a main.go file. That's going to be pretty much it. I set the timer to 30 minutes, but if we can do it faster, it's better, alright? So here, let's set package.main, a main function as well. Great, now let's download that. Alright, we'll import this. I'm just going to create a new client. Great, can we have access to... is it installed? First problem, alright. Let's make sure that Goland understands what's happening. Great. I'm just going to look for... Okay, so there is gist report in this client, so that's perfect. I'm just going to look at the documentation while Goland is doing its thing. Just going to put that in full size and jump to gist. Nope. Why is it taking so long? Suspecting something went wrong. Alright, it's done. So, nope. Come on, Golan. I said we don't have time. You're taking a lot of time. Alright, go get. Is that fixing? Alright. Come on. Well, that's too bad. Can I run it again? No, it says it's finished successfully. Alright. Let's open Golang back up. I think that's probably like the quickest way to make it work again. Right? Are you happy now? Great, you're happy. Okay, I thought you were happy. But you're really not. Why would you? Oops, my bad, my bad. My bad. Alright. So, I'm gonna have to take time to fix that, and I don't like that. So, is the actual directory there? Let's just keep it simple. No, it's not. Alright. Huh? Is that working better? Nah. Yes, it is. No. Right. Goland package not recognized. That's not how you recognize. That's fine. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Because I haven't. Okay, so you know what? We'll create a new project. How do we even do that? Done. Open. Nope. Can I use the double shifty thingy command? Right. New. Great. Go. Okay, but why? Let's try again. Let's go in without a specific path. Now it's just reloading files. Because this is the new UI, so I'm just kind of lost. What's the quickest way to fix that? Alright, you know what? Plugins. Let's just get rid of the new UI, which is kind of extreme. We'll restart and then we'll have the new project button because I don't know where to find it. And oh, maybe done here? Was it done here? Or alright, run that again. That on the side, great. Here we now have access to the new project. Let's just call that SG2. Now it should be able to work with Go modules without any configuration. Great. Let's call that package main, create a new main function. We'll import the GitHub package, sync dependencies, great. Create a new client. Let it work for a while, okay, great. Gist, create. Alright. New background context, we don't need to have anything in particular, great. What fields do we have here? Loads of fields, alright. ID, description, great, and files. Oh, it just can have like multiple files. That's good to know. So we'll just take the args, and if there's not at least one arg, so we'll just panic. We won't panic, but we will. So we'll call this method run, return an error here, and have this main function that runs the run function, and if the error isn't nil, then we'll print that out to str, standard output, pass in the error, and we'll also exit with a status code of 1. Great, otherwise everything's fine. We don't have to do anything. So here we can now return fmt. So error is new actually because we don't need to format anything. Usage, and we're gonna call that SG for save gist, I think. And then files. Great. This one trailing parentheses that we don't need here. So actually, we'll do it like that, and then we'll have the files, which is going to be everything after the first argument. Great. Now, because we need to go fast, we'll just create a map. So files is just going to be a map. So there's going to be a name, of course. Then there are going to be an array of bytes. So it's going to be string maps to file content, right? And so file names, right? We're going to call that file names. We're going to call that files. And actually, what we're going to do is just we're going to loop over that. So for range all the files, we'll take the file. Okay, we'll make that. Put that here. Yeah, exactly. Great. Thank you, Copilot. Saving me some time here. I don't know. We may need to. We'll have an init function where we initialize the client, and this is GitHub.client. Yeah. All right. And we'll have a global client here. So client equals GitHub client. Great. And then here we initialize it. Here we also need to return nil, of course. That would be client gist create or gist, whatever you call it. All right, great. Let's test that out. I'll just print out files, make sure that it kind of works. Yeah. So go run. I'll just alias ag to go run dot. All right, sg compiling. All right, here we may have forgotten a new line All right, great. And that's just going to be like that. Great. And if we're adding a few files, for example, may not go that mod, whatever. Is may.go just empty, or did I miss it? No, I did not. Yeah, I did not. Okay, it's right there. Great. 10 minutes. We're in a good shape. I think we're going to do it. Now we need to send that to GitHub. We also need to figure out authentication. I just want it to be an environment variable. So that's another thing that we're going to do. Here we're gonna check for GitHub token right here. Actually, no, in the init method we'll have the GitHub token. That's just going to be os.getenv GitHub token. Great. And so the way it's going to work, okay, you know what, we'll just do it like that. Alright, sure, let's do that. Why would you... We're going to call that missing, so error, missing GitHub, missing GitHub token. And we're actually going to call that SG GitHub token, so we don't, you know, use another variable that was meant for something else. So very clear that we're using that for this reason. And then, all right, great. That's what I was hoping for from Copilot. Is just it would just let me great. Great. Thank you, Copilot. Yeah, perfect. All right. Now we can create new gists. So the name, so yeah, fill all fields. ID, the description is going to be generated by SG, and we're going to happen the time. No, time dot now dot format, and it's going to be time. Is that the right RC? Yeah, that's great. Is that not a string? Which is a string. So that's a bummer. And we're just supposed to do like GitHub new gist or client new gists, whatever. No, alright. But that's a terrible way to do things. It's so bad. But we're gonna do it like that because we have only 17 minutes left. A bit more, but yeah, public. What is it expecting here? Could I just wait? Don't think I can do that, but can do that, right? Nope. So here we're gonna call that description. We're gonna call that public. Description is going to be that, and public is going to be false. Owner, I don't think that's going to be nil. Files, what is it expecting? So gist file. Send create gist using go GitHub. Alright, let's see. What's the best way to do it? Nope. Golang, is that better? Great. Oh god. Why? Afternoon, come on. It's been so long since I haven't been on this side. I remember why. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Where's the code? All right, great. Just rip this guy off. Create gist. All right. All right. That's all that's needed. Great. So files are actually going to be a gist file because, well, because it needs to be. I'm making the rules here. I mean, I am, but all right. Great. Is that not what's expected here? Isn't that a byte? What are you whining? Why are you whining? You're expecting a string. Why would you be expecting a string? Oh my god. All right. Well, let's give you a string. Yeah, I'm sorry. I shouldn't be yelling, but you know. Uh. Aw. No, I don't have a choice. All right. So this is going to be colliding with the package byte, but I don't think I'll be using it, so that's fine. Let's just paste that here. Content. Great. And yeah, make it a reference. Perfect. Then the files are just going to be map. Oh, alright, so GitHub gist file name, which is a string, right? It's a string. Yeah, okay, it is a string. Great. Now gist file name and yeah, file. Alright. Great. Comments, we don't care, we don't care, we don't care, we don't care, we don't care. Let's go. And that's just going to be files. We're just going to send us files and make it a reference. No. Why are you unhappy? You have every right to be, but just why? Okay, so that's not a reference. Is that better? Is that not a reference either? Yeah, because it's a map. All right. Now, what do we have here? We got the gist. We don't care about the response. We got the error. If we have an error, we'll return it. Thank you, Copilot. And yeah, we'll just print the URL. All right, great. So we can also like just do